Now, global markets are waiting for Thursday's all-important Brexit vote. What impact could a British vote to exit the EU have on the market and Africa? For the details, Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino joins us live from New York. Hi, Jill.
Hey, Vincent. So right now, polls indicate that 45% of voters want to remain, 44% want to leave, and 11% are still undecided. That is incredibly close, and we are seeing that indecision in the market, too. Volume has been very light and trade has been choppy, which indicates to me that traders are staying on the sidelines until after the vote. As a long-term investor, I would not try to trade this event. Let the algorithmic trading machines battle it out in the currency, equity, and commodity markets because the reaction will be fast and furious as the headlines hit. It is best for the markets to settle down and consolidate in a range for a week or two.
Now, which country in Africa has the most exposure to the UK?
South Africa, for sure. The European Union is the country's most important trading partner, and trade remains at the heart of the UK-South Africa relationship. If the UK votes to exit the Union, South Africa may possibly have to renegotiate trade agreements between the UK and EU. Keep in mind, withdrawal could take years, and arguably countries like France and Germany would prolong negotiations, and that is why people are on edge. A vote to leave has a contagion effect that will impact global trade as we know it. And as I always say, if there's one thing markets do not digest well, it is uncertainty.
But Jill, there is much more to this exit if it happens than trade, right?
Without a doubt. Brexit is a social vote as well as economic. There is a strong populist movement in the UK, just like we are seeing in the US with our national election, which is why Donald Trump unexpectedly gained traction. The UK is burdened by the refugee crisis in Europe, and the Leave camp is arguing that the EU is a job-destroying machine. Meanwhile, the Remain campaign argues leaving the EU would do lasting harm to Britain's economy.
Well, Jill, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting live from New York.